What is up? Welcome, people. Welcome once again, yet again, to another episode right here on this channel. My name is Israel, and today I'm going to share with you an important opportunity that many people have overlooked, which is Hungary's guest self-employment residence permit, which is a unique path to European residency that doesn't require company formation. All right. So many of you have reached out to us about business visas in Europe, and we've heard countless stories of people who have invested around 20,000 euros to form companies in European countries only to face rejection for their residency permits. And today, I want to introduce to you a better alternative. So, I'm going to break down this guest self employment permit and why it might be a perfect fit for your um, digital professionals, entrepreneurs, um, food delivery persons, and all kinds of freelance jobs. Okay, but the key benefits of this is that you're not going to form any company. Okay, no company formation is required, and the lower initial investment capital required is as compared to the traditional business visa. Okay, this is actually suitable for various professions, including IT professionals. If you're looking to do freelance website development, cybersecurity services, freelance, architects, consultants, and also service providers of different sorts. Okay, so the path to family reunification after the first year, and that is what it offers you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some step-by-step process to actually obtain this permit. So this is just for informational purposes. I did my research and I'm pouring it out in this video, but I'm not an immigration consultant. Okay. So, but for step one, it requires an initial visit to Hungary, and you need to enter on a business or tourist visa. Okay, you have to obtain your Hungarian tax number, and then you have to register your professional activity and then an online business registration platform, which you have to complete your business registration over there. So step two involves documentation, which involves secure accommodation proof in Hungary, presenting to them a secure accommodation proof, which shows that you have a place to live in Hungary. All right. You have to prepare 6 months of bank statements for documentation. Also, you have to create a detailed business plan. For business plan, it's another whole topic altogether, which I'm gonna drop on here right here on this channel, how to create a comprehensive and a very powerful business plan that would never be rejected. And then also you have to document your professional background and experience, okay, in the form of a CV or something. And then yeah, and then also document your experience. Yeah, so your resume will come with all of those. All right. So you have to gather evidence of potential clients or existing business relationships if there are any. All right. So step three actually involves the application process, okay, which involves you applying at a Hungarian embassy in your residence, your country of residence, okay. And then you need to know that the processing time actually takes 2 to 3 months, and upon approval, you receive a D visa for initial entry. After getting your D visa, you have to collect your resident permit card after arriving in Hungary. So, for some important details you need to know, initial permit validity is actually 1 year. So, renewal requirements will include on demonstrating business activity and also tax compliance. Okay, family reunification becomes possible with the 2 year permit renewal. Okay, so no monthly company accounting or maybe or some complex corporate reporting is required in this. And why this option actually makes sense is that Traditional business visas often require complex company formation procedures, higher initial investment, and monthly accounting and reporting, additional administrative overhead, and all of that. But I guess self-employment permit offers a more streamlined approach, focusing on your actual business activity rather than corporate structures. And for those interested in learning more about the specific requirements of getting assistance with the application process, you can book a consultation session with us, and we'll help you understand if this actually aligns with your goals and also guide you through the requirements. So remember that immigration rules can also change, so always verify the latest requirements through official channels. And then thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on European immigration um opportunities. All right. So thank you for watching this video. This is me, Israel, and then yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching once again.